Hello ladies and gentlemen, and this tutorial guide I want to show to you how you can change the 7:30 to a bright light where you live. You see in the window about 4 o'clock in the morning, you see only the devils around, nothing clear. Not good, not good. You need to fill your mind safely when you watch for the window, right? And that's going to cost you 18 bucks. 20W IP66. Alright, you can order this thing on the computer. That's what I pay for this thing. And I will show you different guy. I want to show to you how to do a professional job. You want to learn, and these children can do this job. Alright, only you have to keep in your mind safety. Alright, you're gonna need a drill first step, because we need to drill the piece of carton you have there and the junky brick to bring the wire for the inside. Alright, and look what I'm going to do here. I'm going to cut it here. Look, I'm going to cut it here, and I'm going to eliminate the switch. Look, I'm going to make it short station like that, because the outlet is going to be on the junky brick. Alright, simple like that, guy. I'm going to show you step by step what you're going to do. Okay guys, when you go to the ladder, you have to be your ladder safety and level. Look, you see here, nothing here. Alright, when you see for the window, you only see the devil outside, nothing. Not good, too scared. So look, I'm going to drill right here. Alright, the bit had to go all the way to the brick and to the piece of cardboard, how you call chirac. Alright, look the ladder. You can dance on the ladder, look. Alright, safety first. Alright, look what I did on the ladder here. I type, because this ladder very old, but look, secure. When you type like that, guy, it's secure. Safety first. Alright, look, I use the shower to level where the ladder sit down. Alright, I'm going to use this number first, and then I'm going to see the cable I'm going to use, number 14, is going through. Alright, very easy, guy. You don't have to call nobody. You can do this stuff, you know. And I'm going to show to you where you're going to pull it out, the electric with the safety, and have the brake appropriate. Alright, nice and easy, guy. Running a wire from here to Japanese, a very easy, guy. The children can do this job, but you have to pay attention. Alright, alright. Ladies and gentlemen, I say lady because this job, lady can do this job. Look the metal wire here. You're gonna tape the cable on the end, on the wire right here. You tape it good, right? And then you're gonna pull it up. Alright, but you have to tape it good, the cable to this line. So you for indoor, you're gonna tape it and you're gonna pull it. Very easy, guy. When you have the cable out, you need to cock it good here, sealing good, right? But you don't want nothing go inside there. Alright, you use this kind of tape to tape the cable. That's gonna bring the power out. When you seal it, the next step to do 2 little hole here to attach the box, the one who will control the, how you call, the outlet, and then we're going to install here the lamp right here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and this is your case. Very simple, guy. Look, you're going to eliminate the switch. Alright, you keep it for another project. You're going to cut this wire according the distance you have the outlet and where the lamp going to be. Alright, that's what I need here. You cut here, and I already marked here. Look, I'm going to cut right here. Put the outlet they have there, and you're going to connect here. When I want to replace the bolt, when I want to replace the lamp, you're going to pull it out like this. Remember to use outdoor, waterproof. Like this thing here is waterproof. Can rain a 10 day, your chingle can disappear. But this lamp is going to be alive if you have generator. Alright, now we're going to cut here too. Alright, and very easy now. Look, you're going to peel it here, you're going to use this kind of stuff, secure. You're ready to go, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, look, don't tell me this is difficult, because I don't believe. Look, you have the color clear here, black, green, and white. You're doing by one, alright? Look, you're doing by one. You tape it good. Look. Alright, you're doing by one. Black, black. Green, green, and white. And you know, no problem, guy. Alright, I want to use this kind of stuff here, because I don't want to connect to inside the outlet. I don't want it this way. I don't know how long this thing is going to stay good, but I need to come down. It's going to be easy just to pull it up. Alright, guys, you pick the small one, look, and you tape it. Alright, and you're going to be good. And then look, up there we're going to connect here. You need to replace it or do something. Very easy, guy. Alright, this cup here is too big, need a small one. Very easy, guy. I do this because the switch is going to be controlled indoor. Alright, wherever you want the switch. That's why I eliminate the switch, because you could do something professional. Alright, guys, you don't want to run a light look funny. Alright, like a Christmas. You know how many houses burn for a light, Christmas light? Not good, because people don't know what they do. Alright, don't burn the tree, guys. The tree life, you know, the clean water comes for the tree, guy. Alright, alright, ladies and gentlemen, you see, you're doing professional. Very silly here. And this is the box that's going to go right here. Alright, you're going to need a drill, and you're going to need a small level. Look, you need to the box be level. Alright, very simple, guys. Look, you hit this thing with the screwdriver, and the piece of here come out and be right here. And right here gonna be the lamp. Right here. Same story with the drill. Alright, very easy, guy. Now I'm gonna mark here. I'm gonna go inside here, mark, drill it. I'm using this kind of thing here. Are you ready, guy? Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, this job is very easy to do, guy. Look, the white go and the say white color, and the other side gonna go the black, where you pull the electric, alright? And the green one go right here at the end. Alright, you don't want to play with the control brake. The easy way to find the outlet you know use a lot, pull it out the two cable for there. And very easy, guy. Look, this is simple, guy. You can touch here all your life. If the no power, no problem, but you have to be sure you connect the right way. This thing give me your direction. White go on one side and the black go to the other side. Remember, the black is the one who brings the energy. The other one just do a connection, alright? Very simple, guy. Ladies and gentlemen, you see, this is a professional job. Alright? You need to find an outdoor, the lamp, outdoor, the box here. And this lady can do the job, guy. Very easy, alright? Remember to keep this with you all the time, because before you tie the wire, you need to, before you come here with your finger like that, before you test the wire, and you can run the line for Japanese to Tokyo to Africa. If you have this with your hand, never gonna be danger, alright? Before you touch the wire, do this. You hear noise, do not touch the wire. Once again, You can run a line for Africa to Colombia. Play with the wire, alright? If you hear the noise like that, don't touch. Very simple, guy. And two wires, the one to control, the black and the white. You connect the white where it's supposed to go and the black to the other side, and you're doing a good job, guy. This lady can do the job. My grandmother can do the job. But now, you're not going to look cemetery there. You watch 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, you're going to see beautiful like a 12 o'clock midday. Alright. Very easy, guy. I'm going to show you the difference. 7:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful day like a 12 o'clock, midnight. $18, guy, on the eBay. Alright. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to give me a try, you want to do a good job, remember to keep this tool in your hand and this thing. Because if you want to prevent to throw your money and your labor in the garbage, right here, guy. You're going to use the cable is protected with metal. So your friend, they're going to bite, but they're going to run away. Because they don't like metal. But you use cheap and stuff. It's not making no sense because your friend, the mouse, is going to bite the cable and they're going to go in between. Boom! All your work and all your life is going to the garbage. Not believe the insurance because the insurance is a piece of junk, right? Believe metal cable. You work for something, alright? And right here, guy. Simple like that. Look, right here where you can pull the power, easy. You'll find out right here on top there and the empty box up there. You're easy want to see the cable. You cut off with the brake. You do a box there and pull it up. The black go directly to the outlet or to the wherever you want to go, and the white go to the switch, and the switch go to where you want to control, off or electric. Simple like that, guy. All right, this is nothing. You know what you need to go about to use the cable protect with metal, with aluminum, guy. Because you're using cheap and stuff, it means like you're working for nothing. Because one of those days you're gonna wake up on the ocean or on the Chester. Because whatever is plastic, your friend, the mouse, they love plastic. They eat plastic. And they do in contact, finito la música. You have zero. All your work for your life, for garbage. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about 2 o'clock in the morning. It's raining. And you see the different, guy? You don't see nothing. That's what you see for the window. And now you know, guy, how to play with this thing right here. You have the switch control inside. This is 20 W. You're using 40, you're going to be double of the light. But 20 is very little power, guy. You see the difference, guy? Like a midday. Clear, right? That's what you see for the window. And don't scared to play with power, guy. As I told you. Play with the electric is very easy, guy. You never put the wire together, never. Black with black and white with white. And very easy, guy. And look. Nice and clear, alright? Don't scare the power, guy. Play with electric, one of the very easy thing to do. I hope this tutorial helped you guys. God bless all of you. Hasta la vista, baby.